Hello everyone, and let's go ahead and make a cake from 1929 using a skillet. Let's give it a try. We're going to be using a recipe from this 1929 Cupid's book, which was something you were supposed to give to a new bride as a wedding gift. You can see it's got lots of advertisements of the time period, including from Ghirardelli's, on all kinds of things you can use to cook with and stock your pantry. I really like this. Unfortunately, my copy was not filled out. I would have loved to look up their names and see what happened to them throughout life, but yeah, this was a used copy, but the woman that owned it just did not fill this out. She also, you will notice, didn't use this coupon to get one free wedding portrait, which is pictured here, but the coupon for the free baby picture is missing, so maybe she used that one. It looks like the coupon for the Clorox is also missing, so maybe she used the coupon for the baby to get the portrait, and then she used this coupon to clean all the diapers that she had. Now, I thought it would be really fun to try this recipe here. I've never heard of a frying pan cake. I thought it would be really fun. It says to go ahead and use the 1 egg cake recipe, which is right here on this side, but you will notice it doesn't tell you what size skillet to use. So we're gonna have to do some guesswork. I'm gonna use this one just because it's got more of what you would think of as a cake shape with its, non-tapered edges, and it's pretty deep. So I'm sure that as this thing expands, this should be able to handle the job. So let's hope I'm right. We're gonna go ahead and get started and see how this is gonna turn out. And I think we're ready for the next step with minimal mess, which is always a good thing here at a cookbook collector kitchen. And so we're going to go ahead and start heating this up and getting our skillet ready. Now, I'm a little bit worried because you can see this is quite a big skillet, and that doesn't seem like a whole lot of dough. But we did put 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder in it, so I'm thinking this is gonna puff up pretty big. I'm gonna stick to the original plan just in case, and we'll just eat it anyway if it's really thin. I'm a little worried. So we've got it in there. It's pretty thin. I scraped the bowl as clean as I possibly could to get the most out of it. But we are following this recipe to the letter, so let's just go ahead and follow it to its conclusion. We'll pop it in the oven and just see what happens. I'm really curious, so let's take a little peek to see if it's getting taller. Ooh, okay. It's doing something. I think it's, puffing a little bit. We'll go ahead and close that and let it continue. Okay, we have let this cool probably for about 45 minutes, I would say. And the master flipper here is going to try. I do not have my... Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. Okay. Oh. That's really stuck in there, isn't it?
I don't know.
Supposedly the butter is supposed to, grease your pan and kind of prevent this, but I don't think it was enough. Mm-hmm. Okay, attempt number 2. My hopes aren't high, guys. I don't know. Oh, God! Oh! Whoa!
Well, I made it.
Whoa! Okay, let's see what's left in the pan, though.
Not much.
Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, we can scrape this out and put this on here. Okay. We did it! Okay, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and plate this up and taste it. I'm shocked that this came out, but I guess the butter came through, so... Yeah. Let's just hope it tastes good.
It looks good.
Wow, am I relieved. I mean, it looks pretty decent. Yeah. There was a few little crumbs stuck to the bottom, but not near the mess that I thought this was going to be. So, let's go ahead and see if it passes the taste test. Now, I have some thoughts on this.
Uh-oh.
And I'm going to see if...
How great that sounds.
I'm going to see if you concur.
Okay.
I think it's a good cake. I think it's like a good like everyday, you know what I mean? Like an after dinner cake. Does it blow me away? No. I think we've actually had better like
pineapple
spectacular cakes on this channel that, how am I trying to... Like... Is there such a term as generic cake? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm talking about? Because, the cake itself is boring.
Yeah, it's a little, crumbly. Mm-hmm. Like, almost too crumbly, to actually,
There.
Yeah, it's not got a ton of... Now, that being said, I mean, it's covered in, the pineapple and the brown sugar and the nuts. You can't really, go too wrong there. But the cake itself, just the cake... Mm-hmm. Is fine.
Yeah, it's just kind of plain. Like I said, it's kind of boring. Doesn't really have a lot of flavor to it. I think you have to do something like this to it. Yeah. If you're wanting to serve it. I think there are better plain cake recipes out there. So if you're wanting to make your, pineapple upside down cake, basically, there's better batters that you can use. I think the real only whoa factor of this cake was making it in a skillet.
Yeah, I mean that's it's
easy.
It may be more convenient than others. You know what I mean?
This one
you don't have to have any special tools or.
Man, this came together fast.
Yeah.
It was easy. I didn't have a whole lot of cleanup that I had to do. So that was really nice. I think, back in 1929, if you're a young bride and you're just wanting to throw a cake together, that's fairly easy for you to learn on and stuff like that. Just an everyday after dinner cake, then this one would have been, it would have been good.
Yeah.
Overall, I think is really good. For what it is. Yeah. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not like your big gourmand, specialty cake. But it is good. And especially if you love pineapple and walnuts. Yeah, this combination is really good with the brown sugar and everything. As far as this little booklet, this is adorable. I would definitely get some more off eBay. Now, I'm going to caveat that. Of course, you know, I do have the Amazon affiliate link now, but you're not going to find this on Amazon. I bought this on eBay, and I got it for a steal. I mean, now I bought it, and then I went back on there a few days later because I thought, oh, wouldn't it be fun to get some from different years to see how the pamphlet evolved over time? Nope. I don't know what happened, but every seller on eBay decided I'm going to triple or quadruple in some cases the price of this thing. So maybe if you're really wanting to find one of these, maybe periodically check eBay, but I wouldn't get one right now. I'd wait till the prices kind of go back down.
Okay.
But this is really cute. I really enjoyed looking through it. I enjoyed the sentiments of what it would have been like as a bride in 1929. You know, I like the coupon aspect. You know, I did actually have one original coupon still attached to the book. The other two were used. So I thought that was a really cute idea for this. As far as the recipes, they look like they're all really good, but they are very short to cram, you know, a lot in a pamphlet this size. So you're not getting a whole lot of instruction. If you are a new cook wanting to get into vintage cooking, this might not be the one you want to start with. And if I had a friend who was just getting married, this is maybe I would give them, you know, this
Something like that.
as something fun, but I would also add this because this right here is going to explain what you need to know to finish one of these. So just keep that in mind. It's not beginner friendly, like they're kind of trying to act like it is. There you go. Another vintage cookbook that we've reviewed that we've really liked and thought was really cute. So if you do find it for a steal on eBay, go ahead and pick it up. And remember to check out my Amazon affiliate link if you are so inclined. And let's see, next week, I think I'm just gonna do another surprise.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna dig through some of my vintage cookbook because this one was really fun and it was just like a one thing that I found. So let's find another little one thing that I bought and do that. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed this week and we'll see you next time. Bye. And if you like historical cooking and unusual cookbooks, here's 2 more videos you might enjoy. And make sure to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.